Greetings and welcome to the Voice of African Trade channel, your source for comprehensive trade discussions. In this video, I will guide you through the process of registering on the trade portal and completing your NXP form, one step at a time. To complete the registration process, you must have the following: a TIN number issued by the Federal Inland Revenue Service. Ensure that your TIN is updated, including your phone number, email, and address information. Scroll down and locate Applicants, then click Go to Portal under the Applicants section. As a new user, you will click on Register to open a new account on this portal. Please enter your tax identification number, TIN. If your TIN is on record with the Federal Inland Revenue Service, your information will be displayed. Otherwise, you will need to update it. You'll be required to log in using the username and password that you've established, and your username should be your email address. Click on Login to proceed with the sign-in. You will need to provide an OTP. Access your designated email address to retrieve this number. Keep in mind that the OTP has a limited time window, so please complete this task promptly. Press the Continue button to proceed and access your account. Congratulations on successfully creating an account on tradesystem.gov.ng. You are now officially ready to begin your export activities. Your company's information is visible on the dashboard, eliminating the need for you to input it every time you wish to access an NXP form. Let's initiate the process of creating a new NXP form. To get started, locate the Form NXP option at the top of the page and give it a click. Once you've done that, move your cursor to select the Start Non-Oil Application option. This particular application is designed for individuals interested in exporting non-oil products. For those looking to export oil products instead, click on Start Oil and Gas Application. Please note that this video demonstration specifically covers the non-oil export process. Your company information is pre-filled. You do not need to fill it anymore. Click on Next to proceed. Navigate to the Currency for Goods and choose your preferred currency from the drop-down menu. Choose your estimated shipment date. Select the HS code for the product you are planning to export. Under the description of goods, fill in the name of the product you are planning to export. Next, you will select the sectoral purpose code for the product you are planning to export. Input the product quantity. Next, select the weight category. I will choose kilogram. Next, under food preparation, pick the option that is appropriate for your product. I will choose others. Next, input the unit price of your product. Then select the unit of measurement from the drop-down. I will choose kilogram. Now you need to specify how the product is packaged. For example, your product can be in boxes, cans, bags, etc. I will go with bag. Here you will input the net weight. This is the weight of the product without including the weight of the packaging material. You will input the total quantity of the product that you are exporting. Next is the gross weight. Input the weight together with the weight of the packaging material. You can add the freight charge if you already have it, but it is not required. If you do not input it, it will not affect your submission. Here you will see the net weight, gross weight, and quantity of the product. You will also see your FOB value and the NES payable amount. NES is the Nigerian Export Supervision Scheme. Click on Next. In this section, you'll need to provide consignee information, encompassing their name, address, country, city or state, phone number, and email address. Since I have a list of previously saved consignees, I will select one from there. You can ignore by order of. Here you will select the destination country. You will also pick the port of discharge from the drop-down. You will pick the mode of transportation from the drop-down. Pick the port of shipment. The next is the inspection section. A list of designated inspection agents, appointed by the government, is responsible for the inspection of your product prior to its exportation. Additionally, you will also indicate where the inspection will take place. Here you will select your preferred shipping company. Choose from the drop-down the payment method applicable for the transaction. You can either save this form or click Next. In this section, you are required to choose your processing bank. Pick the branch that would process it. Please note that the processing bank will automatically be the designated bank that would receive your export proceeds. Input your domiciliary account correctly. Input your Naira account. This is the account where the NXP charges and NES fee will be charged. Click on Next. Here you will upload your export license and input the license number. Click on Choose File and then pick the file from your computer. You will also need to upload your proforma invoice. Click on Choose File and then pick the file from your computer. Now we are done. Let us review all the information we have filled. Click Next. Here you are going to review and cross-check all the information that we have provided. This is to ensure that we are submitting the right information. When you are done, you can click Submit. Congratulations, we have successfully filled out the NXP form. Let us locate the form where it is saved. Go to the top of the page, click History from the Form NXP drop-down. Here you will see a list of all the NXP you have opened. Copy the highlighted form number and send it to your bank for approval. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. We would also like to hear from you. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comment section. See you in our next video.